Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing of the Topping DX3 Pro Plus DAC headphone amp. I ordered this as I wish to power my Dynamic DT770 Pro 250 ohm professional monitoring headphones, and this is a first impression. Upon opening, I got it from Amazon for a couple of days it took. Upon opening, the box doesn't seem like it's a brand new box. It's not sealed, so I'm not sure if it had been repacked, as some of the comments said that their units came with scratches and marks and they were faulty. So anyway, opening up, it does seem to be a little bit messy in there. It's hard to tell. The cables are in their packaging, and power brick, and as you can see the end was up on the side there. We got the remote control, which did come in handy as a precursor to what I found out once I used Bluetooth aerial. I never got to use the Bluetooth function on the unit, and the unit itself, not too sure it's whether or not it is pre-packaged in a return unit, but we'll get into that later on. I'm not overall impressed with the whole experience. I have seen some nice packagings, and this just seems to be a bit rough around the edges. Okay guys, got some light on the situation now, and just having a bit of an inspection to see if the quality, see if I can see anything wrong with the unit at all. Still has the plastic on the front of the LCD screen. Can't see any blemishes or any scratches or fingerprints. It seems to be in working order from the physical appearances. Doesn't seem to be any breakages. The knob turns and clicks, and also it can push it in as a button. So it's all in working order by just a physical inspection. I'm wearing gloves as to leave no fingerprints myself, and just to see if I can find anything. Under the Bluetooth cap there's a bit of paper for some reason, just to hold it on. So it gives me an impression maybe it is a returned unit. Just the whole packaging and experience with unboxing. So we're just going to have to check it out and see how we go. Okay, the unit comes with a user manual, which is not very user friendly, to be honest. It does, itemize what every button and all the other functions are, but it's not, as I said, it's not user friendly. I had to mainly get online and have a look at what other people had done and try to work it all out. I didn't find the whole process very easy. The installation, like connecting to the computer, was fairly easy, but could have been better. Okay, initial setup is complete. We have power ready to go. That's my Volt interface 2, and that's the Topping unit ready to rock and roll. Got the instructions here. However, as I've already stated, they weren't very user friendly. Now I had to get online and download the software and all sorts, but at the end of the day, it was a faulty unit. I got HP error, which means there's something wrong with the headphone output. I was getting an error there. So yeah, I had to repackage it and send it back to Amazon. Overall, the experience with the whole thing was very disappointing. It did power my Dynamic 250 ohm headphones, and it was really nice when it did work, but the menu function wasn't working from the unit itself, and the HP error, I had to cycle the power on and off. So, and didn't know why that happened. So yeah, overall not a great experience, and I won't be purchasing from that same supplier again.